Yes, what's up? Async Partner of the Year 2024. It's your boy, back again with another video. First one of the year, I think. How's it going? So, thanks for being voluntold to do global search. The audit is in the wrapping up stages. I think you've seen one of these type of files before, so I won't go too much into how to use them. But I'd love some engineering input into the findings. Is there any stuff I've missed that you can see? Is there anything that I can see that's just too bonkers for inclusion? Does what I see, is it described in a way that's implementable? That kind of stuff. First thing in this file is command palette. I think you've already seen this. I wrote up a bunch of stuff. Have a click around. Jump into dev mode. Yeah, have a click around to see how I'm thinking about it in design tokens. That space is suboptimal. There we go. Have some of that. So action design tokens. Some subtle. That's just whatever the keyboard flat styles are. Cool, great stuff. Search results general. That's fun. That has nothing. One thing for all of the search results is this highlighted text pattern. Need to figure out something for that. And a question I think about whether this is really like secondary or subtle. Whole bunch of paper cuts on here, some weird stuff, including some stuff for our team around just to check how drop downs are working, whether that's an implementation here problem or a problem with our component. Same for these buttons, the spacing gets a little bit wild. Projects, some bit more dark mode design tokeny stuff, border color, icon color, and this, some kind of interactive styles for this thing, open to suggestions, strong opinions on it. What have we got here? Question about the element here that's used. I think it's something custom. If we use a design system element, colors come for free. Everybody's favorite text colors, icon colors, do what you like with it. And we've got a bunch of things for more discussion. Here we've got italic for the subtle. Here we've got italic for the secondary information. Elsewhere in search results, they use subtle. I think that might help us. What else have we got? Some questions at the time about where the styles for this come from. I think I've figured that out now, so we can ignore that, including the highlighted results row, as I understand it, because wrapped up in the themes. No idea what this is. If you can figure it out, let me know. And these button, I think it does regexy things. Here's an exploration for using the action selected. I think it is design tokens. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Strong confirm. Oh yeah, this strong confirm matches how we handle toggles. I know this is against our design system. We don't like this kind of thing. Have fun. There's another type of search which you can only get on staging, or if you can get Zoe Kati. I don't know that word there working on your GDK. I couldn't get it going. And there's some weirdness with the lines in between. I'm wondering if rather than set something bespoke, we can use the container styles. I don't know. It was beyond because I couldn't get it running on a GDK, I couldn't mess around with some stuff. Have a look at that. Let me know what we've got. Epics, some rogue link styles, some. That's about it. This and some missing styles. Take a look, see what you think. Oh look, this is still in progress. Highlight color needed. Author link. Yeah, author link, like we've said before. Some bespokey drop downs. And some very bright meta information. What else we got? MRs. Oh, these look like they're going to be fun. Yeah, custom drop down things. Why there are so many authors called Jam, I don't know. Take a peek. Let me know. Wiki. What have you got? No interactive states. Hopefully there's a design system solution. I can add them in. And everyone's favorite, top and bottom margins on the wonk. What else have we got? Some highlighting stuff. Yeah, these borders looked weird in the inspector. They might be fine in the code. Comments. What have we got? Yeah, some consistency stuff about the meta, like the secondary information using subtle, and something that I know you're gonna not do, but the author comes across quite prominent for the global search team to think about, I think. What have we got? Yeah, is there some design system solution that we can do for these? The answer is probably going to be no, but it's worth a try, huh? And some more, hey, maybe if we use the avatar component, we get the styles for the top and bottom. Go on. What have we got? Last one, admin settings. Yeah, these boxes were at the time not using a design token. I think they've been updated in the last week. Whether it's even needed at all. These were a bit strange. There's no real design system patterns for it, but here's some explorations using design tokens that take a look at, see what you think. We can propose them to the team, or we can just leave them as these things. Lash, take a look, let me know what you think. Hopefully it's mostly design tokeny, dark mode-y kind of stuff. Lash, catch you later.